Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. So if we apply the formula of this one, we have like this. So this one I will put on the denominator. Later that we do first derivative of s squared plus 5. So this one we have to ask. This one that is about the constant. So you got 0. So this one we change by u. This one with the s we change by the u. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.